What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Adventures, man. We are back with another video, and today we have an unboxing straight from the GOAT app. I got a couple of packages from the GOAT app actually, so I don't know what's inside of here, so we're gonna get into it. As you guys can see behind me, we got a bunch of unboxings to do. I've been a little busy doing finals and stuff like that this week, but I take my last final tonight, so I'm super excited to be done with this semester of classes, man. I was pulling up to the crib and I seen another box outside. I'm like, oh my god, it's gonna be so busy unboxing all the sneakers for the Adventure Squad. But hey, I love dropping these videos for you guys, showing you guys what I picked up, what I got lucky on. And I think this one right here is the one I spent the most bread on. So the sneaker inside this box should be going for the most out of all the sneakers behind me. So let's go ahead and get right into it. But before we do, I need everybody to subscribe right now, ring notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like on this video. If you guys want to see more unboxings, more live cops and stuff like that, man, please smash the like button. That really shows YouTube you guys are enjoying the content, and it helps the channel grow, man. And last but not least, please have an IG. Give your boy a follow at The Adventures World. Link down below in the description box, man. So let's get right into this package. And if this sneaker is what I think it is, this is probably the biggest L I've taken in 2020. So a huge delayed W, I had to get it. Shouts out to the GOAT app, man. GOAT app, I really trust GOAT app. They never steered your boy wrong. Every time I had a problem, they always hit me back in a timely manner. They didn't wait 2 years to respond to my email. Been shopping with them for a couple of years now, you feel me? And every transaction has been very smooth. So let's get into this thing real quick. Like I said, if this is what I think it is, I could not wait to unbox these for you guys. I want to do a whole review on feet, but I'm not too sure if this is the sneaker. But we're gonna do this thing raw. We're gonna do it uncut and show you guys what we picked up. So yes, this is what I think it is. Finally, we have it. Finally, we're unboxing it for the Adventure Squad. Man, I cannot wait to unbox these things. Let's go ahead and get into it. You guys see it right here, man. You see the brown box. You guys should already know what it is. Comment down below right now if you can guess what these things are. No cheating, no cheating. So let's go ahead and pop these things out of the box. Let's get this out of the way real quick and check it out, check it out. $350 up top. You guys should already know what this is. My biggest L I've taken was a couple of restocks, and the restock that caught us all by surprise, and when they threw it all back on the Flex app, I went live and told you guys about it. I was like, yo, it's another restock on the Flex app. It was kind of weird. People thought I was lying, but it actually was another drop in some locations for these Yeezys right here. So enough talking, let's get into it. Official colorway is core black and red. This is a size 9 Yeezy 350 V2. Check it out, man. Finally we have it. Finally we have it, y'all boys. I'm excited. I took an L the first time it dropped, and I took an L the second time, so I had to spend that resale value. And yeah, let's get into it, man. Let's get to it. Oh my god, check them out, check them out. Yeezy 350 V2 breads, man. And this is something I've never seen before. Check out the little I don't know what this is. I've never seen the tag come on this type of string. I don't know if it's from overseas or what. Hey, but it is what it is. They're legit. Shouts out to GOAT app. I trust them. I know they ain't steer your boy wrong. I know they gave me some legit sneakers. But like I said, I've never seen this right here. But bro, we finally have the bread Yeezys, bro. Finally get your GOAT sticker in here, throw it out the way, and of course get your little card to go through every step of the process, man. GOAT, I love their authentication process. You see each stage it goes through, but I don't know who checked it off for this little, I don't know what this is. I have never seen this joint right here before. Man, these are so clean, man. DS, nothing is wrong with the sneaker off first rip. And let's pull the other one outside of the box, and oh my god, we finally have them, baby. Size 9 gang, you feel me? And like I said, these joints right here, I definitely see them going back up to the $500-600, because I find it hard to believe that Kanye would do another huge restock like he did this time. And even with this huge restock, these joints are still selling out like crazy. The box was taking them all up, and you've seen a lot of people having to spend that resale value. And hey, look at me. I spent what, $400 on this sneaker right here. It did drop a little bit after I spent that $400, so maybe I should have waited a little bit. But that FOMO is real, man. The FOMO is real. I had to go ahead and pull the trigger on these bread 350 V2s. You guys already know I love getting some discussion time in with you guys. I got a couple of questions, man. Do you think these joints will go back up into that $1,000, $800, $900 price range? Me myself, I do believe so. Just because you look at all the history, the time it dropped the first time, the crazy hype behind it, and then the second time it was 500,000 pairs. You know what I'm saying? It was there's no way it was 500,000 pairs. That's what I'm getting at. And I don't see Kanye dropping them again, you feel me? So you guys let me know, drop some comments down below if you feel like these joints will go back up to that high resale value. And another thing, do you guys think I pulled the trigger a little too fast? Like I said, I spent about $420. I just couldn't wait no more. And to be honest, it was between getting these joints or the Air Jordan 1 Mochas, and I still chose these Yeezys. I know that's crazy. Usually I would pick a Jordan 1 over any other sneaker, but I was like, yo, this shoe released 2 times, I still didn't get it, and I think it was time for me to pull the trigger on these things right here and finally add them to the collection. I seen so many on feet, I seen so many pictures on IG with these breads. I'm like, bro, it's just a matter of time before the resale price goes up, and I'll be really mad at myself I didn't pull the trigger when I did. So let's check the resale value right now real quick. I think they did dip a little bit, I'm not too sure. We're gonna go to the beloved GOAT app real quick and let's search Bred. Okay, Bred Yeezy is the second shoe on there, still one of the most popular sneakers, and right now size 9 is going for 369 bucks. Like I said, I spent all together total with shipping everything, it was 421 bucks, and maybe it's right around the same price. So this sneaker, 500,000 pairs plus the initial release of these Bred Yeezys, and they're still going for damn near $400. Hey, like I said, this definitely gonna be going up to the $600-700. I think by next summer, mark my words, I want everybody to screenshot it, write it down, record it, whatever you gotta do. These will be going for $500 hands down. That's an easy assumption. I know a lot of you guys feel the same way. If you think I'm wrong, like I said, let me know down below in the comment section. I'm still a little bummed out about this little tag right here. If you got a string have ever come like this, please let me know down below in the comment section. I think one time when I was at museum out there in Germany, they had something like this, but I don't know, I never seen this. So you guys, if you had this, please let me know. Maybe I'm just tripping, maybe I'm just being too tedious, but I know usually it's a white string. This one right here is literally brown. It looks like a piece of a torn rope. I know some sneaker boutiques do tag their Yeezys differently, so like I said, please let me know in the comment section. I'm definitely gonna be throwing on my drip grip for my Yeezys right here so I can keep these things looking very near DS. It's a super easy installation. I showed you guys how to install them on my Air Jordan 1 J Bob and reviewing on feet. This is actually one I did put on there, and I took it off. It's super easy, and I want to test and see if I took it off and put it back on, would it still be sticky enough and would it still be durable to rock on your sneakers. So make sure you use the code DaVintage10, save you some money. Head over to dripgrip.com right now and copy the best sole protectors on the market. I'm super excited. I still can't believe I finally got them. I literally had this package over there for probably 2 weeks now. I literally bought these joints as soon as I took an L on that second little restock on the Flex app. I entered the Champs, I entered the Foot Locker, and I got an L live with you guys. Like I said, I had to pull the trigger, and now we finally have the Yeezy 350 V2 Breds, one of the hottest sneakers, probably gonna go down as top 5 releases of 2020. If not releases, definitely sneaker pickups for some sneakerheads out there. We actually have another Yeezy coming out this weekend. I think it's called the Toupee or the Toupe or the Top. I don't know what it's called. I'm gonna put a picture up right here so you guys can check it out. We'll be doing a live cop for them joints. I need to get my Yeezy collection back right, and I think I started off the right way with picking up these Breds right here. I cannot wait to throw these joints on feet. Matter of fact, we're gonna throw these joints on feet real quick so you guys can see what these things is hitting for real quick, man. So let's get it. I appreciate everybody for pulling up. Please let me know if you have these things. Did you add them to the collection? Did you have to pay that high resale value? And I definitely think a lot of people out there will say that these will go up before next summer to about $500-600. You guys let me know all that down below in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Ring notification bell for your boys to never miss any otother video. The Jubilee Air Jordan 11 how to style video should be dropping either tonight or tomorrow. You guys stay tuned for that by hitting the notification bell right now. Please give a huge like for this GOAT app unboxing. I can't believe I finally have them in the collection. It's been about 3-4 years I haven't got them. I've been waiting to pull the trigger, and your boy finally did it, man. So please leave a huge like on this video right here. I appreciate everybody for pulling up. Thanks for all the love and support, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.